Hello guys, and welcome again with another video. First of all, I'm so sorry guys, I didn't post any videos for the last 2 or 3 weeks because I cut my hand pretty bad. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if this will focus. Yeah, cut it from here till here, the other side. When I was cleaning one of my favorite knives, but don't bother. Let's get to the review of this. This is the leatherman c33lx. Focus. Focus now, focus. Yeah, you see it. C33lx. First, let me give you some specs and I'll give you my opinion on this knife. The blade on this is 420 HC. The close position is 3.94 inches. The blade length is 2.6 inches. The weight on this is 2.36 ounces. The lock mechanism on this one is liner lock. The handle is glass filled nylon. It has a pocket clip. This pocket clip is one-sided only. Cannot adjust it, as you can see. Can remove it, but this is a right hand tip down carry. Only one side thumbs up. This is the one thing I don't like about this knife, because I always train with my two hands, but I cannot open this because it doesn't have a thumbs up. But they have this where I can flip it with it. Yeah, but I prefer if they just throw another side thumbs up. Just my opinion. They have this Caribbean / bottle opener. I didn't try this, but people said this is a good bottle opener. I'll try it though. I will see. This is work very well. And you open this. First of all, as you can see, I have to see. I have to ask the guy that I bought from, the guy in the shop that I bought this knife from. How did you close this one? Because I didn't know first. Yeah, it was actually pretty easy. You open this, you push down, and that's it. My opinion on this knife is awesome knife. I was carrying this knife for the last 4 weeks. This is the Gerber. This is the Gerber Swagger. This knife is awesome. I'm planning to do a review of this knife, but this knife, it's pretty beat up. This knife is pretty dull now. Yeah, pretty dull. I broke the tip of this knife. Don't know if this will focus on this. Focus. Yeah, you see? I broke the tip, right? But I still love this knife. I will carry it sometime, but not now. This is my main carry, my EDC now. And it comes pretty sharp from the factory. And after several uses, I will try this. It's hard to do this behind the behind the cam, but let's try. Yeah, still sharp. Yeah, this is the serrations, but still cut. If you can, yeah, if you just do it like this, you see from the serrations, and still cut very well. And continue. This is a fine cut, still though sharp. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Peace.